So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to paint the Christmas painting with you. So let's get into the video. Now here I am taking Persian blue and mixing it with white so that I can give a dark blue background to my painting. It's a night view, so I am using dark Persian blue and white color to give a dark background of night. So I am blending it properly so that my color can mix very well before applying another layer. Now I am taking cobalt blue and mixing it with white to make ice surface on it. I am giving cobalt blue background to the surface so that I can later on put some white color to give it a ice surface. Now again blending very well. Blend your colors properly so that you can put another layer over it. Now I'm using burnt sienna mixed with black color to paint the house I have drawn. I'm using here are acrylic colors. Again putting burnt sienna and black color. Now blend it very properly. Now I'm drawing the rooftop of the house. Now I'm taking white color to make the window. I made this video as time-lapse video because if I have made the whole video it would be more than 50 or 30 minutes. Now I'm just adding some texture and defining the lines on the hut, or you can say house. Now I'm using black color to make trees. I'm using here old brush because old brush can give you the texture of that you want in a tree. So don't destroy your or don't throw away your old brushes, just you can use them in your paintings. Adding some more trees to the background. It was having a background of tree, so we have to add trees on the background. I am adding black color because it is a night view, so the trees don't have any color. Now go on adding more trees. Now I'm drawing trees over the other side. Now you can see that this is a time-lapse video and I am doing this very fast, but you have to do it slow. There is no hurry in making anything, so just do it slowly. Now I'm taking white color to just draw the snow. Just dab 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 or something like, just paint white over it. This is the first layer of white I am taking. more snow. Here I am dabbing. Now it's your decision that you have to draw the trees first or just snow first, because you can do both ways. I have done trees first because I wanted to define my area, that where I have to place trees and where I have to place other things. So I have painted trees first, but it's your call. Now I am just painting white color on the rooftop. This is the first layer. Now taking the second layer over the rooftop to define the snow on the rooftop. Draw some more snow. Just dab, 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 and it's done. Now just putting somewhere snow and making it lighter than other areas. Dabbing will give snow a texture so that you can snow doesn't look flat or something like that. Now I am taking white color and painting snow over the trees. Just do a little bit of white on the trees, because you have to differentiate between the snowy background and the trees in the front. Now some more snow on the background. I hope you get what I am painting on my video. So I am adding some more and more snow. Just dab a little bit with your brush. I'm using here is old brush again. So I hope you can see snow everywhere. Now I'm adding just blue light over the snow. I have added the yellow lights over the trees, like I am adding the pink lights. I just missed the clip. So I'm adding here are the pink lights. Similarly, you have to add yellow lights over the trees. I hope you get what I'm doing here. Now I'm taking burnt sienna to draw the railing. And I will put some lights over it to give a Christmassy vibe. Now I'm taking cobalt blue and mixing it with white to draw the structure of snowman. Just defining the snowman. Now I am taking white color to draw some ice over the snowman. Just keep it little bluish so that you can differentiate between the snowy background and the front snowman. Now I'm taking black color to draw the eyes and smile and buttons on over it. Again black color to draw the hat over the snowman. Just blend the colors very properly. Now I'm taking small size brush to do some detailing, and I'm taking here red color to add a line over the hat and also to draw his scarf. Now you can see its neck. Just do things properly and slowly. Don't be in a hurry. Now I'm taking burnt sienna to draw his hands. Now take black color to draw the outside of the lamp. Now I'm taking yellow color to draw light in it. Now again take old brush and just dab yellow color where you can see lights are going. Some lights over the rooftop and on the background trees. Now it's complete and I am taking off the masking tape, and I really hope that you like this video and like the painting. And please tell me your views in the comment section down below. It's a very easy painting and you can try it also. Now this is just a detailing of the video and of the painting. I really hope you like the video, and just do subscribe to my channel if you like this painting. And I am uploading more videos about Christmas on my channel, so please do watch and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.